Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hope you all are doing well. Stay at home, stay safe, and keep everyone safe. So, as you all know, we have already discussed about the first four topics. Now, we shall directly jump over to our next topic, the important one: your path, your laws, or your path, your rules. First of all, do remember a quote which is there is always a way for everything. I mean, everything, okay? See, life throws a lot of things at everyone, sometimes good and sometimes bad. But only those people succeed in life who keep their mind calm and think at every possible way out before taking any decision. God always opens a path before closing a door of success. People can find a lot of ways if they keep themselves calm before doing anything. Many times we overlook the obvious way as we are too anxious regarding the current conditions. So stop worrying about the current conditions and look for something better. This saying is really very important in everyone's life. So do remember there is always a way for everything. Let us go back to our first topic for a moment. We already discussed about following someone but not following the same path or the same way they took, as the path that they took might have worked for them, but you never know that the same path will work for you or not. So it's always correct to follow the ideals of a particular person but never their way of success, because everyone has their own rate of working towards their goals. Everyone has their own way to success that's never defined. And the main reason behind this is that the situation is never the same for different persons. It is always different for different person. So make sure you make your own path and follow it rather than following anyone else's path. Here is an exception. Make your own path until you find the righteous one to achieve your goals or your targets. So be ready to create your own path if you do not find any righteous way or path to follow as per your goal or motive. The path that you will be creating for yourself would be tough, for sure, but gather the strength because you will be all alone as you are building this path for yourself, and no one is in front of you to look at nor mentor you. You will work as your own boss. But watch your back. Many would be following your path who felt it is righteous for them as well as per their goals or motives. There will also be people who will never think twice before striking you down if they feel that the thing is not going to their goals. So you have to be thoughtful not only for the way forward but also looking out for yourself backwards. The way to success will be very tough and will only work for you if you are consistent in your thinking. Now, a big question arises here. The path is ready, you are ready, but still you will feel that there's something which is missing, which isn't keeping this path disciplined and consistent. Do not worry, even we have solution for it. You know what? Everything in this world runs as per the rules or laws created to run it, such as law of gravity, law of attraction, and so many more laws. Some normal looking rules such as traffic rules, the traffic signal rules, to some high priority rules such as border crossing rules for different countries. But every rule is meant to keep everything in place. So even you have to make some rules, say laws that you need to follow no matter what happens, no matter what the situation arises. These laws will only make everything perfect for you and perfect for achieving your goals. The rules or laws you will be making, even your followers will be following those same rules or laws. So now let us discuss about the laws or rules that those followers will be following, or in your organization your employees needs to follow them. See, for them to follow those rules or laws may be restrictions. They may feel it like restrictions, but being the leader, or say the owner or creator of the path or the organization, you will have to make sure it is compatible for everyone. The rules are compatible for everyone. The laws should not only work for you but also for the people following you or in your organization, as you need to keep the benefits of the employees at the top. It is perfectly summed up by Richard Branson. Clients do not come first. Employees comes first. If you take care of your employees, they will take care of the clients. The very first thing you need to keep in your mind while creating the laws or rules is to make sure everyone gets benefited from this. Benefit for all will surely even include you in it. Okay. The reason to think about the benefit for everyone is just to keep them united, to keep them motivated, and even ever ready for every new circumstance or project or jobs that you will be handing over to them. They will be working more efficiently, more effectively. If you keep the employees or the people happy in your path or your organization, they won't think of changing the path or shifting to any other organization. They will continue to be loyal to your path to success. That's why it is always said, don't be a boss, be a leader. A boss will only think of himself or herself, but being a leader, you will think of everyone. Also, world remembers those who are top leaders in the world, not the top bosses. So stop being bossy, start being a good leader. Along with compatibility, here comes one more contradictory point, which is applicability of the rules or laws. Along with the benefits, even you need to make sure, can it be applicable for all? Make sure the rules or laws should be made in such a manner that it is fit for all. The laws or rules should be made in such a way that it can be applicable for each and everyone, irrespective of their posts or job roles in the organization or in the path to success. While making any decision regarding the rules or laws, every aspect should be kept in mind. Here, by aspects, I mean as in job roles of that person, post in the organization, their talent or their special skills, and many more points. And on top of everything, their purpose or goal in your company or in their career. This is the most important thing that you need to consider, which will even give them support as well as make them feel special being in your organization. Now, an important point to be noted. Do remember, make your own laws or rules, or else laws or rules will make you. There is a big difference between the two aspects stated in the aforementioned statement. It can break you or make you. So think wisely once again. If you only follow the rules made by others, you might or might not get the success. But if you make your own rules or path, you are bound to get success sooner or later. But only if you are a leader and think of everything and everyone. So, with that I conclude my today's topic. If you reached till here, congratulations. You have understood the importance of making your own path to achieve success. Now, just do a couple of more things. Hit that like button and share this video with as many people as you can. And of course, do not forget to subscribe this channel. Okay, we are coming up with few more important topics related to business. Like we always discuss everything about business. Signing off, Tarun Parekh.